This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by aligning every sheet and the cover precisely. Accuracy here prevents a lopsided book. Once clamped, measure and mark 5 to 7 equally spaced holes about 6-8 mm from the spine edge so stitches sit centered. Use an awl to punch clean holes through all layers. This creates reliable channels and reduces tear risk. Thread a strong, waxed linen needle and tie a stopper knot. Now you're set to begin the first binding stitch efficiently and cleanly. You'll sew signatures one at a time, feeding the needle through the first hole from outside, looping inside and back out to form a chain. Keep tension consistent. Too tight makes the spine warp and too loose creates gaps. When joining a new signature, link it to the previous one with a kettle stitch or by looping around the existing thread, which builds strength. Once sewn, press the spine and add linen tape or mull for extra structural support. This improves longevity and keeps pages aligned. You finish by tying a secure knot or lacing the thread into the spine to hide the join. Trim excess and burnish with a bone folder to seat the cover. Once done, press the book under a flat weight for 12 to 24 hours to set glue and flatten the spine. If pages shift or the spine gaps, reclamp and tighten the stitches or add a reinforced end paper and mull strip. That single corrective step usually resolves alignment issues and restores a neat, durable finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.